The next concept in disk management is disk quota. Disk quota is basically the quota that you can allocate to the individual users, so that the individual users should not be able to store the unnecessary data onto their disks. So like sometimes in the past times, what users used to do, they stored movies and songs on their system disk, and the disks became full, and the performance goes down. So to avoid that kind of things, we could enable some kind of quota systems to the list to the users. Like we know that this user will at the most need 100 MB of space, or maybe 1 GB of space for storing the files related to the work, and anything beyond that 1 GB is not related to the work. So you can set up a quota for that particular user to have a maximum storage capacity of 1 GB onto the disk. To enable this quota system, you need to open this Explorer window, and then choose the right click, and then choose the properties option. Select the quota option, and then choose enable quota management. So there are different options available in this quota management, like deny disk space to the users exceeding quota limit. So if you want that users should not be able to store anything more than whatever is allocated to them, you should then select this option, deny disk space. If you do not select this option, then users will be able to store additional data onto the disks beyond their quota, and they will be shown some warning messages like your quota is exceeding and all. So this option is required. Sometimes we see that user has done some significant work, and if he is short of quota, he will not be able to save his work onto the disk. So just to overcome that risk, you can use this option. You can untick this option. Otherwise, if you are sure that users do not need some kind of soft limit, then you can choose this option, deny disk space. Then select the default quota limit for new users on this volume. So whenever you create new users, what is going to be the new quota limit for that? So if you don't want to limit the new users, then you can select this option, and if you want to have a limit, then you can use this. So select the disk space to, let's say, 1 GB only. So I can select this option from here, 1 GB only, and then you can set a warning level at 700 MB, so that it should keep on showing the warning to the users whenever they exceed 700 MB. Then log event when the user exceeds their quota limit, and log event when the user exceeds their warning limit. So log event is basically an audit log that the system administrators will see. Like these are kind of flags which are raised whenever certain event occurs. So the administrator need not have a watch on all the folders, like who is storing what. But whenever there is an exception to the disk quota, whenever the limit is broken, then an event will be raised to the administrator just to notify the administrator that this particular user is going beyond his limits. Fine. So after doing this, you can select the OK button, and then it will enable that disk quota onto the system. You can edit the quota entries like this. These quota entries are basically for the users. It will show that which user is having what quota available, and then what quota limit is left for the particular user, and so on. So these reports you can see from time to time for the different users. Fine.